Confidence isn't about always knowing what to do. It's about trusting yourself to figure it out as you go. Today's affirmations will help you reconnect with the quiet strength already inside you, so you can trust yourself even when you feel unsure. I will read each affirmation once. Feel free to repeat after me, or simply listen and let the words settle in. Let's take a breath together before we begin. Take a deep breath in and exhale gently. Let's begin. I am learning to trust myself more each day. I am capable of handling whatever comes my way. I am enough exactly as I am. I am allowed to take up space. I am worthy of being heard. I am building unshakable self-belief. I am choosing progress over perfection. I am proud of how far I've come. I am grounded in who I am. I am resilient through uncertainty. I am calm and capable in difficult moments. I am becoming more confident with each breath. I am allowed to show up fully as myself. I am making choices that reflect my worth. I am strong enough to face today. I am growing through every experience. I am someone who can be trusted. I am learning from what challenges me. I am allowed to make mistakes and learn. I am comfortable in my own skin. I am speaking with clarity and courage. I am moving forward even when I feel unsure. I am letting go of self-doubt. I am deserving of success and happiness. I am standing tall in my truth. I am giving myself permission to shine. I am a work in progress, and that is enough. I am exactly where I need to be. I am building confidence one choice at a time. I am proud of the person I am becoming. I am open to learning and growth. I am someone who adds value to the world. I am ready to show up and be seen. I am choosing to believe in myself today. I am releasing fear of judgment. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am grounded in my values. I am brave enough to take the next step. I am learning to trust my voice. I am calm and centered within myself. I am choosing courage over comfort. I am proud of every small step forward. I am enough without needing to prove anything. I am learning to stand in my own power. I am becoming more confident with every action. I am choosing to trust the process. I am worthy of love and respect. I am allowed to ask for what I need. I am honoring my strengths and talents. I am releasing perfection and embracing progress. I am showing up for myself every day. I am building confidence from the inside out. I am strong enough to take risks. I am giving myself permission to grow. I am listening to my inner wisdom. I am grounded in the truth that I belong here. I am embracing my unique path. I am capable of more than I realize. I am choosing to show up fully today. I am enough. I am confident. I am ready. Take a moment to feel the energy of these affirmations settling within you. Know that every word you spoke or thought today is helping you build an unshakable foundation of confidence from within. Thank you for giving yourself this space today. I'm proud of you for being here. Repeat this session every day for 21 days and notice how trust in yourself grows with time. You can always return to this space whenever you need,